Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI and I want to show you my new Macaron hair clips by Nackiy that I am absolutely obsessed with. These are so pretty and they are so much better in person than I could have even imagined. They are really shiny and actually good quality. So they have this nice durable metal clips on them, and the gemstones do not feel cheap, guys. Like, these feel like expensive clips. So it is amazing that you get all of these 28 clips for the price that they're listed at, because they are so nice. Like, I'm not obsessed or anything, but you have some that are slip-ons, like this one, and then you also have some that have spring clips like that. So you have everything you could want, and you even have some that are double spring clips. And I mean, they just slip in so easily. So guys, if you are looking for a pack of adorable clips that are going to be good for different outfits, get this pack by Nackiy. I love these clips. I like that they're tight to my hair. I also like that they are well made and just, I mean, they're adorable. They are so cute. So these are great. Even get them as a gift. I highly recommend them. But that's just my point of view.